I'm going to try to explain how Klipper works as simply as quickly as possible. Roll intro. Now, if you didn't know, Klipper is a software slash firmware for printers and some CNC machines. But how does it work? This has been asked a lot over the years on different discords and forums, and I'm just going to make the simplest way to do it with just some parts to explain everything. Let's start with the slicer. What you'll need is a computer, preferably Windows or Linux, or a Mac OS. If it can run Windows, Linux with a desktop, and Mac OS, it can slice. You don't need a lot, it just might take longer. I'm just going to show you my laptop because it's pretty. And that sliced file, usually known as G-code, is sent to our host. Now a host in Klipper is usually what we use is a Raspberry Pi, but you can use a lot of things. You can use a little Fly Pi, a Orange Pi, or a Big Tree Tech Pi. You get the system here. And you can also use a laptop, but that is a whole different part of Klipper that I'm not going to discuss now. And that host talks to all of your components. So the host is what takes that file, figures out what to do with it, and then sends it to all your different components. Now, components. So microprocessing units, that is a printer board that we normally call a main board or a printer board. So I have a couple of options here, but there's like hundreds of these out there. You can have just a printer board, or you can have a tool head board that just lets you connect all your tool head stuff on one board. There's expansion boards, there's tiny boards, there's big boards, there's anything you can think about. There's even this little tiny board that lets you connect this like old school screen onto your Klipper with a USB cable. The communication between these two are usually USB, but it can be CAN as well. That is, again, a whole nother separate video. Then your MCU controls are your heaters, your motors, and all that stuff, the fans, and that is what's in your printer. So let's quickly summarize. A computer slices the file, the host gets the file and sends all the commands to your different microprocessing units and sends it to your printer's stuff. And then magic appears and you get something. All right? Did I do that? I hope I did that. Whoo! Why use many words when small words, okay. Whew.